The U.S. nuclear arsenal is witnessing an evolution, and President Biden's administration is at the forefront of transforming old nuclear weapons into modern ones. Enter the B-6113, a proposed bomb designed to replace its colossal predecessor, the B-83. Let's dive into the nuanced world of America's nuclear bombs. Among them are the B-61 series and the B-83, each uniquely designed to serve different strategic purposes. The B-61 series boasts versatile capabilities, offering a wide range of explosive yields from tactical to strategic levels, making them compatible with various aircraft and mission requirements. In contrast, the B-83, while colossal with a 1.2 megaton warhead, faces plans for retirement. However, the proposal for the B-6113 presents a chance to create a more accurate yet smaller bomb to counter the B-83's immense nuclear capability. The Department of Defense cites an evolving security environment to justify the need for the B-6113, hinting at potential adversaries like North Korea, Iran, China, and Russia. The proposed bomb aims to provide additional options against specific military targets, equipped with modern safety and accuracy features, resembling its predecessor, the B-6112. The B-6113's limited ability to penetrate the ground opens up discussions on its usage against buried facilities, potentially in North Korea and Iran. This suggests the adversary's underground facilities might be deeper and more robust than previously estimated. As the B-83 ages and lacks accuracy, the replacement, though smaller, promises enhanced precision, offering a trade-off between size and accuracy in creating a sizable nuclear explosion. The proposal of the B-6113 marks the third new nuclear weapon since the Cold War, emphasizing recycling and reducing the overall number of nuclear weapons within the U.S. stockpile. With evolving global threats, the new bomb serves as an attempt to stay abreast of changing times. However, debates continue on whether the costs and development of a new bomb were genuinely essential at this juncture.